All right, guys, so these are the cookies.
We did, as you can see in the process, we did.
Louise make me sick. Louise like a teacher in the classroom. Like when they be quiet and wait for everybody to stop talking. This ain't juice. Why we can't drink? Why we can't drink? You know what? Hey guys.
You know, I didn't see one of my game. Y'all play too much.
Now you saying that can you get juice? And then I told you to go to the grocery store. You didn't go to the grocery store.
This girl asked me when I was leaving my house if we.
I told you that a couple of days ago.
I didn't know you wanted me to go to no store.
Whenever you come in here, let me know so I can tell you the thing that we don't have.
I didn't know you was meaning like that. What you mean like you was gonna go get the things that we didn't have?
Well,
This video been in the making for almost 2 years now.
you can start. She's just being fat. Look at that.
Oh my god, let me go back.
Wait. Let me go back.
Go back.
I hate them. It's too sweet. Grand Rising. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatima. Wait. Grand Rising. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna bake some cookies with my friend. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Doll, and welcome.
We're gonna be baking some cookies today. Some chocolate chip cookies. The Pillsbury dough, whatever. This is the, what brand is this? Welcome, welcome, welcome. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end of this video, like and share. Okay, now you.
Hi, my name is Doll. Welcome to Doll Baking Cooking with my friend Fatima.
Hi guys,
And she have her channel.
Fatima Capron.
Oh wow, not Fatima Cake, friend.
That's the channel. Don't forget it.
You're doing it. You're doing
With
wow.
the
That's nice.
we doing it with the cookie dough, guys.
You think say eat and bake?
Yes, ma'am.
Not eat and bake. Actually,
Give me the
I've
scissors for the
never.
scissors.
I actually never tried cookie dough. Let me just say that.
Where's the?
That's my first time.
Go the scissors.
You put the spoon.
The spoon. And you pull it out.
Actually, we already washed our hands.
Yes, our hands are clean, by the way. So what do? Just mix it. Let me follow the instructions.
Done baking.
So you just put it in, brown about. Okay, so basically you just scoop it, put them in the pan.
A spring on it. Do they need so much?
Eggs. Cookie sheet though, but you don't got no
I
cookie
don't
sheet?
have no cookie sheet.
So
It's
you
gonna
better-
stay just like that, friend.
You sure it ain't gonna burn? You see?
I did this already.
So you just place them on it like this.
So you're not actually gonna roll it down?
You do? We don't have no gloves.
That's why I make you wash your hand.
So you gotta form the dough like a big dough.
I wish I get one without chocolate chip. I don't like chocolate chip like that.
Not you don't like chocolate chip.
No, I'm serious, I don't. I told you, I never eat cookie.
You don't eat cookies?
No. I just wanted to try it out to see if I like it.
You like it.
Both. But we're gonna be big cookies anyway.
These gonna be big. So
You know
we're
what you-
forming the shape and we're placing them on the baking pan. And of course we're gonna put them in the oven after.
You know actually what I want to do actually?
What?
I want to bake cookies and then bring it to the homeless people. Put them in the
Oh,
little
that's
bag.
so sweet.
I really want to do that. Yeah. I want to do that. So if I like it, if I don't like it,
You like it because it's like you giving.
because I don't want to. No. I'm saying that me personally, I don't like giving away something I don't even like eating myself. I mean,
Fair. But people gonna eat it. That's just you. You don't like cookie dough. All right, guys, and there you have it, homeboy. Huh?
You can open the second. Just gonna follow.
So this is how it looks. And now we're gonna place them in the. That in the middle?
Yes.
All right, and we're gonna let those bake. Like I had the gas
Put it on
station.
top. Not the little things.
That's what happens when you don't spread them out.
Not what happened.
This is what happens when you don't spread the cookies out, guys.
Well, I'm doing my typing, so she's not going to do no typing. Yeah, you?
Gonna watch you.
What she said?
Watch Little Miss. Oh. She's gonna let them soak in there. I should try. What's maple syrup?
No, it's honey.
Hmm? Never mind.
When, baby?
That's what I try to figure out. That's why they hot.
I'm gonna use.
It's ugly. I don't like him. He's perfect. You do it again? Oh, that's smart. I see what you. Hold on, I gotta catch this. Look at me just standing here like, okay. Guys, this is my cookie. Plain OG.
I'm not playing the OG.
Now I'll do the marshmallow thing. That look good. Like s'mores.
Ooh. This one good. I like the liquor. I like the coffee, the liquor.
You need to work at Crumble Cookies. They ain't got nothing on you. They
I think
don't.
somebody was literally talking about it the other day.
Crumble Cookies.
Yeah.
Let me do mine. I like the idea. I'm feeling it. I can let you do the torch because I'm burning myself.
It's really not that.
I scared, girl.
Well, there's my cookie. So you gonna try? You gonna be the tester?
You guys want to taste them?
I'm not gonna be it.
My friends in the
torch. That was the torch, right? He did the marshmallows, he melted it down on the cookie. See how they are?
I wanted the other one. She gave me the half.
Mmm. Mmm.
And you can
Look at it.
screenshot it.
Look at it. You know, make cookies like this.
I'll wait.
Mmm.